Typewriter update from David Shrimman from the article Typing Up and Through History in the Pittsburgh Post-Gazette. David highlights the first commercial typewriter helped create new employment opportunities for women, allowing many to enter the workforce in numbers. This spring, Harvard University's Houghton Library explored the typewriter's legacy through an exhibition entitled Thanks for Typing. The exhibit honored both the machine and the women who used it, recognizing their often overlooked contributions to business, journalism, literature, and public life. The exhibit included references to the portrayal of women in typing and newsroom roles in classic films, such as Meet John Doe, distributed in 1941, and His Girl Friday in 1940. Despite the rise of digital technology, interest in typewriters remains strong. Older generations are familiar with machines and often use them firsthand. Younger generations generally recognize what a typewriter is, but many have not operated one. Like a rotary telephone, the typewriter is a familiar object whose mechanics are largely unknown to those who grew up in the digital age. This is about to change. Through this account, anyone interested in learning more about typewriters, their history, operation, and appeal will have an opportunity to explore and appreciate these remarkable machines. Stay tuned for more typewriter updates and media hits about this typewriter time machine.